Think you've heard it all when it comes to making money online? Think again. The internet is overflowing with opportunities to earn some extra cash, but most people are stuck in the same old rut, like filling out endless surveys or clicking on ads for pennies. But what if I told you there are hidden gems out there, unique and lesser-known methods just waiting to be discovered? That's what we're diving into today. I'm talking about real ways to monetize your skills, your passions, even just your time, all from the comfort of your own home. So grab your coffee, get comfy, and get ready to have your mind blown. We're about to unlock the secrets to online income streams you probably never even knew existed. All right, let's kick things off with a fun one: getting paid to break the internet. Website testing is a thing, people. Companies are constantly launching new websites and apps, and they need real people to test them out and provide feedback. Think about it. Your opinion actually matters here. You'll be browsing websites, clicking through pages, maybe even trying out some new features, all while getting paid to share your thoughts. It's like being a digital detective, except instead of solving crimes, you're solving user experience puzzles. There are tons of platforms out there that connect testers with companies looking for feedback. Some sites pay per test, while others offer hourly rates. The pay varies depending on the complexity of the test, but it's a pretty sweet gig if you ask me. Plus, you get to be the first to experience new websites and apps before anyone else. Next up, we're tapping into your creative side. Ever thought about selling digital products online? Platforms like Etsy have opened up a whole new world for creators and artists to share their digital masterpieces with the world. And the best part? You create it once, and it can sell over and over again. No need to worry about inventory or shipping logistics. We're talking about things like printable art, social media templates, stock photos, website themes. The list goes on and on. If you've got a knack for design, photography, writing, or really any digital skill, there's a good chance you can create a digital product that people will pay for. It's all about finding your niche and putting your own unique spin on things. All right, calling all brainiacs and knowledge enthusiasts. If you're passionate about a particular subject and have a knack for explaining things in a clear and engaging way, then online tutoring might just be your calling. Forget about stuffy classrooms and strict schedules. Online tutoring is all about flexibility and convenience. You can set your own hours, work from anywhere with an internet connection, and connect with students from all over the world. And the demand is huge. Whether you're a math whiz, a history buff, a language guru, or a science nerd, there are students out there eager to learn from you. Platforms like Schooly, TutorMe, and even YouTube itself offer opportunities to connect with students and earn money by sharing your knowledge. Plus, there's something incredibly rewarding about helping others learn and grow. Ever wish you could get paid to share your opinion? Well, with virtual focus groups, that wish becomes a reality. Companies are always looking for consumer feedback on their products, services, and marketing campaigns, and they're willing to pay for your honest opinions. Virtual focus groups are typically conducted online through video conferencing platforms like Zoom or Skype. You'll be part of a small group of people who share their thoughts and experiences on a particular topic. The topics can range from food and beverages to technology and entertainment, so there's bound to be something that piques your interest. The best part? You don't need any special skills or qualifications to participate. All right, time to unleash your inner teacher and share your passions with the world. Online course creation has exploded in popularity in recent years, and for good reason. It's a fantastic way to monetize your knowledge, reach a global audience, and make a real impact. Think about it. What are you passionate about? What skills or knowledge do you have that others would pay to learn? It could be anything from photography and graphic design to coding and marketing. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable make it easier than ever to create, host, and sell your courses online. You can create video lessons, downloadable workbooks, quizzes, and even interactive elements to make your course engaging and effective. It's like having your own online school, but without the overhead and administrative headaches. So there you have it. 5 unique and often overlooked ways to make money online. Hopefully, this video has sparked some ideas and inspired you to explore new possibilities. Remember, the internet is your oyster. Don't be afraid to try new things, get creative, and hustle hard. And hey, if you have any other unique online money-making ideas, share the wealth and drop them in the comments below. I always love hearing from you guys. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.